again, my people. I welcome you to my channel. And today's lesson, as you can see, is 68 type signature beat, drum beat. And I've got a lot of questions about people asking me, how can you play a chop or a field with 68 time signature? So I'm going to show you what that is. And this is why I did this lesson for you. This channel, if you're watching this channel, this video for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel, like, share, comment, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell. Turn it on so you will be notified of every video that's coming. All right. So there's a basic pattern for this. This is very important. There's a basic pattern for this. Now what I was just doing there is there's no trick. It's just playing doubles. Now the basic sticking is just right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, kick, kick, right, left. Playing 16th note. That means 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R. That is it. So I'm going to play here for you to see. Stay tuned. So that's just the basic sticking pattern for this. Now, to move this in a 6/8 chop, you can improvise. You can pick that thing and you improvise around the drums how you want to go about it. That's why I always say be creative. Now, this is the way I'm going to do my own. So you can do your own different. It doesn't mean you must do the same thing I'm doing. So improvise, you create what you want to create. So check this out and see for yourself. So that is just it. You can improvise the way you want to improvise. Be creative. Also, that is all I have for you. So take your time, practice this slowly, slowly. Be patient. You can do it. And hope to see you soon.